Justice. Welcome back to my channel. One of the questions that people have been asking me is, am I wearing heels these days? And I think I mentioned in my previous video that I will wear my heels when I'm doing Zoom court. However, I'm not going to wear my heels. Sometimes I actually put them on in the morning when I'm having my coffee. But other than that, I'm walking a lot. I have been for the last year, and I'm not really wearing heels. So then the question is, what am I wearing? Because I do have this crazy shoe obsession. I have to have shoes that I absolutely love. So I've kind of had to change my shoe fashion, so to speak, and I have become obsessed with running shoes, and specifically pink running shoes. So these are my favorite go-to running shoes. I mean, these are like just adorable. So they are pink, they are shiny, they've got a wedge, which I love because it gives you a little bit of height. So these are Puma. I've worn them a few times, and I've got to tell you, every time I wear them, I get stopped in the middle of the street. People are like, hey, those are great running shoes. I know, they're adorable. Like to me, I mean, they look fake. My girlfriend came over one day and she looked at them and she's like, those look like they should be on Barbie's feet. I mean, they're so cute. I think they're adorable. And you know, if you are not going to be really spending money on clothes this year, I mean, really, where are we going? You want to make sure at least that your feet look good and you've got great running shoes. I know I'm walking a lot, I'm outside a lot, and I just want to make sure that I have something comfortable, cool, and something that's really a fashion statement making piece. Now, before I actually found those running shoes, I had purchased these ones. These are the Fila Disruptors, they're called, and I think they also have them in a different version with a higher heel. But these are workout shoes. I actually didn't buy them for that purpose because I was just obsessively looking for pink sneakers, and I got these at Journeys here in Toronto online. I think these are adorable as well. I wear these out and people stop me on the street, again, telling me like they're just adorable. So I'm totally into pink running shoes. So you don't have to spend money on new clothes for this summer. A little pair of denim jeans, a white little tank top, and some cool sneakers is really all you need. I don't think we're going very far this year given the situation here in Ontario. So it's just a really easy, simple way to pull a look together. You're going to be out walking probably, and you just want to feel good about yourself and not spend a lot of money. So save on your fashion outfits, and then maybe just invest in a decent pair of funky sneakers, and you're going to feel fabulous. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, consider clicking the like button. I hope you also consider investing in a decent pair of sneakers so that you can have your summer look on point. And remember, whatever you wear, just make sure that you wear it with pride and that you wear something you love so that you feel good about yourself. Follow me on Instagram, LawyerPina147. Follow my beauty business, Glam by Pina. Check that out. I've got amazing products. Thank you for watching, everybody. Stay safe. Have a fabulous, fabulous summer.